Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Fantom chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And Fantom has continued to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to show a lot of strength for us to continue gearing up, and at the time of this recording we are just about to see a breakout out of a chart pattern that I had here on the charts, which is this double bottom, having my neckline at around the $0.3879 mark and the bottoms at around the $0.3553 mark. And this is a chart pattern that breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target area of the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms, and I was able to get that height and then placed it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.4276 mark. So there are high chances that in case we continue holding above the neckline at around the $0.3877 mark, then Fantom is going to continue seeing higher prices, give us a breakout out of this double bottom, and also fully maximize our minimum target area at around the $0.4272 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and here on the charts you can see that I have this Elliot structure right here in blue, and this is what is going to give me my short-term expectations and also my long-term point of view here on the Fantom chart, where you can see that after seeing our low on the 23rd of March, we started this massive bounce to the upper side, where we peaked in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 1 in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.5324 mark. And after seeing the high for that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area for that second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $0.419 mark and the $0.3538 mark, which is the area highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And since we have fully maximized this red target area in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.3489 mark, and also saw the formation of this double bottom, there are high chances that Fantom has now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2 and is now ready for that massive pump to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that now gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.719 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Fantom to do here on the long-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. You can also see that in the formation of that wave 2, because of its corrective nature, I also expected to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, where you can see that I have this ABC corrective structure in yellow, having that as the wave A, then a wave B, then we saw one more leg down in the formation of that wave C, fully maximizing our red target area. And that now means that there are high chances that we have now seen the low for this second wave, and we are now ready for that massive pump in the formation of that wave 3. And I've given you my minimum target areas at around the $0.71 mark. And before all that plays out and we fully maximize that target area, we need to see a breakout to the upper side out of this double bottom, fully maximize our minimum target area at around the $0.4273 mark. And once that happens, and we also manage to break above this swing high at around the $0.4465 mark, then from that point I'll be able to flip totally bullish here on the Fantom chart and continue expecting higher prices to also manage to break through the $0.5 mark, which is our next key area of resistance. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 67 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.